What's up, my Chantillians? Your girl is back. So, what I'm gonna be doing today is putting my outside furniture together. Yes, I have help here, but I choose to do it myself. So, if you see what my outside furniture look like that, I'm gonna show it to you guys. Just give me a minute, and then you be like, "Oh, no, darling." It pretty much looks like this. If I can see it. So one of the chairs had broke. So I was like, we had already had in our mind that we was gonna get, just get some replacements or whatever like that. But it came sooner than later. So I was like, okay, we can get it. And then they had a little sale. So it's a little, you know, it was like 79 bucks on Walmart or something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put it together. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like on the outside of the box, and then we'll put it together. You and me, together. All right, so this is what it looks like. This is a set. So I'm about to get everything set up, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys. Okay? All right. All right. So if we get started with this, let's go. We just start off with this color. I really got them because of the price, so they kind of don't match, but they kind of do match. So, and then I didn't notice until after I bought them that they had like a brown set I could have got, but I'm not worried because we need new chairs out there, and as long as it looks nice out there, that's what I'm worried about. So now I gotta figure out what to do with these.
A win is a win. A win is a win. I don't care what y'all say. A win is a win.
The cushions, those match. Oh, this is a table. Put it to the side because it's glass. Alright, got this structure sheet. Got the nails. Let's figure this out. I wish they came like the desk where it's like, this is for the bag A, this is for the bag B. Instead, it just came like this. I'm gonna try to read the picture good enough. Alright. Yeah, like this one, this is the only instructions it had down there. The only. Do not fully tighten all screws until assembly is complete. That's it. That is it, Jack. Y'all remember y'all used to pop in? It'd be my favorite thing. Oh, give me that, give me that. I'll come back when I got some of the prompts. Yeah, so Eve is still wrapped up. I don't know why they should have just how they should have wrapped this was that the two like F and E should have went together in a package, and then the other part, the chair, that should have went together. Versus them doing two F's, and then two E's. Effort. I'll be back. Alright. So it took me a minute because I had to find the longer screws and little screws because all the screws are the same color and the little thing, whatever, and they just threw everything in there. But that's neither here nor there. So I figured it out, found it out, and so we're gonna just start. Alright, I got the first one together. We'll work on the second. Alright? We got a little ways to go. Bear with us. We got this.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your love.
Alright, so second chair is up. So now we're gonna be working on getting this table together. We almost there. Oh, I forgot, I gotta put these little things at the bottom, so I'm almost there, but I'm not quite. But yeah, so yeah.
I better find your heart. I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart.
I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof.
Listen, wait, baby.
Love it up, do, do, do. Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit had you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when watch, bust me down. On the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's my and I want it now. Ow. Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day, new wig, new hair. Come take me out this smooth glare. I be waiting on you some long. You ready to down low like bombs? To red boom. Nothing but a robe in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone while you working. Boy, you gotta see it in person. Believe me. Can't just keep talking about it. We need to talk about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get right. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get right.
Alright, yeah, so that was a task inside of a task. But I finished. I'll let y'all see it in the morning when it's light outside, because right now, no. But yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, I played the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not in the house anymore. No, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me, please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Found out who I am through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall? I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. You're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely.
So we're gonna start the other part off of the meal. So we're doing sweet potatoes with pinto beans. I don't know if anybody combine them together, but we're gonna do it today. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so I got something else I want to show y'all. I had just bought these two So, you know, like it's pretty big, but you know, like this thing that's supposed to sit on the stove when you put your utensils on. So I got one, and I got it the gold, or like a gold one. So I used to have one that had like a Bible quote on it, but it was glass and it ended up breaking. So glass don't last around here much like that. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna wash this off so I can put it over there. Then I'm gonna go ahead and finish, you know, finish up everything. Okay, look. Cutesy. Very demure. Alright, so I got these textiles rolled, just rolled out. Rolled. And so I'm gonna cook these and whatnot. So they come with like cinnamon things on here. I'm trying to see if I'm gonna put that on there, or am I gonna put the butter on there? Well, I think it's the same thing. So they come like this. I'm just gonna put this. I'm gonna put this in the oven and let it cook, and then I'll be back when I put the gloss and stuff on.
I should've put you somewhere where no one could find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires.
Look at that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees every day, had to talk beside you. I'm in that 80 and one of the twist, different priority. I try to pay all your loans, so I'll pick up you a driver. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life. I still walk your way from history before I copy all this ice. You wanna be my number one, you're not acting like the main thing. I let you play my number two, you barely made the second change.
Put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. Hey. Self-control has never been your thing. Don't think it'll help if there's a ring with a dog. Where I'm from, they serve the soda clean. You come from a city where there's lean with the dogs in it. How the fuck you keep so many seeds? How you going vegan but still be doing vegan? How the fuck you see so many beaches? Tickets to them places